we often focus on the hard skills, right?
Yeah.
The tech skills,
Mm-hmm.
developing people with their tech skills, and we have chronically underinvested in developing people as people,
Mm-hmm.
right? And that's where I find, like, so when I'm able to connect with a CIO or IT leader or IT director, what have you, and say, here, how are you developing your people as people, right? They're like, I'm not. What do we do? How do we do that, right? Rather than approaching it from a technical lens. So
Mm-hmm.
that's where I'm able to have good overlap with IT leaders.
Mm-hmm.